Well, good afternoon, everyone. 48 First Alert meteorologist Chelsea Aaron here with your weather extra throughout the rest of the weekend. I hope all of you are having a good weekend thus far. Today has not been too bad, even with the increasing cloud cover, but have the rain gear ready as we're tracking rain chances returning late this evening and throughout much of the day on Sunday. We'll go ahead and get right into it. Live look across Huntsville. We're just about an hour from sunset, and don't forget daylight saving time does begin overnight, so your clocks will likely automatically spring forward 1 hour. Yes, we lose an extra hour of sleep. However, the sunsets are going to be much longer. We will be seeing the sunset closer to 7 o'clock tomorrow, and I don't know about you, but I live for longer days. Now, clouds are gradually increasing across the region at this hour. No rainfall just yet, though, and we're likely not going to see much rainfall until midnight tonight. This rain will be quite light in nature as we're going to be tracking an area of low pressure right along a frontal boundary to our south that's going to be sliding to the east. Already seeing some rain out to the west of us across portions of Arkansas, Louisiana, also Mississippi. Some light green trying to pop up on our satellite and radar, but this is a likely what we call virga. It is evaporating before it even reaches the surface because the low levels are very dry at the moment. Our radar trying to pick up on some light returns as well. But again, we're not going to be seeing any shower activity until later on this evening. Winds have been breezy back out of the north and east today behind that frontal boundary. This is making it feel cooler at times, but temperatures are right where they should be for this time of year. Expect occasional gusts as high as 15 and 20 miles per hour through the next hour or so, but winds will likely quiet down after sunset. Current temperatures all across the board in the upper 50s, lower 60s. If we had more sunshine, it would feel warmer, but all in all, not a bad day to kick off the weekend, and today is going to be the better of your 2 weekend days. Heading into the evening, maybe some intermittent light showers possible, but like I've said earlier, the better chance of rain will not arrive until late this evening, overnight, and early on Sunday morning. If you have somewhere early to be, maybe a worship service, you're headed out to church, just have the rain gear handy. It's not going to be heavy rain. Most of this is going to be light rain, maybe even some drizzle, but it will be enough to where you want to keep your umbrella or maybe a rain jacket close by. Overnight lows will stay quite mild, falling into the 40s. Temperatures slightly cooler as we head into Sunday, but a warm up is coming next week with temperatures close to 80 degrees. We will be tracking more chances for rain through next week, but let's get through the rain throughout the next 12 to 24 hours. So your hour by hour forecast, most of us dry through sunset until we head into the late evening hours, and that's when we'll start to see some showers increase from the west. These will be quite light in nature. No severe weather is expected, and they're going to be hit or miss, lifting to the north gradually through Sunday morning. Overnight lows in the 40s, and most of the rain should come to an end, a brief break by the late morning hours. Skies will stay mostly cloudy throughout the day, and we will see rain chances pick back up shortly after lunchtime. We're going to go through the rest of your Sunday and what's ahead for your next work and school week, or perhaps just your work week, because many of the kiddos out for spring break. After this short break, make sure you stay with us. I'm going to continue to take you through our increased rain chances throughout the rest of the weekend and also that big warm up coming for next week. Now we will see some showers like I've been mentioning overnight and early on Sunday, but better chances for more widespread, potentially even heavier rainfall that arrives later Sunday evening. Now no strong nor severe storms will be in the forecast throughout the rest of the weekend, but I would prepare to hear some isolated rumbles of thunder late Sunday evening and early on Monday. Much of the rain will be out of here for your early morning commute on Monday. Skies will clear throughout the day and the temperatures will be up and away. Rainfall totals will stay light area-wide through Monday morning. Most locations receiving under an inch, anywhere from 1/10 to 3/4 of an inch. Like I mentioned, we will dry out quite quickly with dry conditions likely through Wednesday. However, another chance for rain and possibly even a few stronger thunderstorms will be on the way this upcoming Thursday. Right now, the severe threat is quite low for Thursday, but we're going to have to watch next weekend very closely as a stronger storm system comes our way and brings the potential threat of heavy rainfall, flooding, and also severe weather. We're coming into a pattern where temperatures warm up greatly and then we see a very strong storm system and then we get a blast of cold air. That's what's going to happen for the week ahead. So slightly cooler on Sunday. Rain chances increase late Sunday evening. We dry out Monday with temperatures near 80 degrees by next Wednesday. Another round of showers, even potential strong storms arrive on Thursday before temperatures bump back near 80 next Friday. Late Friday and into Saturday is where we could see that strong to severe threat. Here's just our latest model run. This is one of our global models that we use, the GFS model, and its timing continues to trend later and later. Now this could occur anywhere from Saturday afternoon through Saturday evening. All modes of severe weather look possible at this time, so continue to check back regularly as we fine-tune this forecast. Temperatures will cool by the time we head into next Sunday, back into likely upper 50s, lower 60s. We have a lot of time before we get there though, so things could always change. Rain at times throughout the rest of the weekend. Temperatures warming up nicely next week. We're in for a treat with afternoon highs near 80 degrees before the pattern becomes quite unsettled by Thursday and through next weekend. We'll have more details for you on this extended forecast coming up at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock this evening. Please join us. But for now, I'll let you go. And again, thank you so much for tuning in to this evening's Weather Extra.